Have you ever faced unexpected power supply issues during an intense gaming session? Maybe you were right in the middle of a crucial match, everything was going your way, and then suddenly, your system shut down out of nowhere. It's frustrating, it's stressful, and honestly, it's something far too many gamers experience. You're not alone. Unreliable power supplies are one of the most overlooked causes of crashes, freezes, and even permanent hardware damage. A lot of gamers focus on GPUs, processors, and RAM, upgrading everything except the one component that quietly powers the entire system: the power supply. Traditionally, people turn to standard or budget power supplies, assuming that as long as the wattage looks high enough, everything will be fine. But wattage is only one part of the equation. The truth is, many users overlook critical features like modularity, efficiency ratings, and built-in protections, and those features make all the difference. Let's break this down. A typical power supply might seem sufficient, but what many don't realize is that losing power stability for even a moment can disrupt your entire system. Conventional PSUs often lack proper surge protection, so sudden spikes in voltage can travel straight into your components. Not only can this cause crashes, but over time, it can degrade your hardware. And when you're investing in parts like high-end graphics cards or next-gen processors, the last thing you want is to quietly shorten their lifespan. Then there's the issue of cable clutter. Non-modular power supplies come with a tangle of unnecessary cables you may not even need. All that extra wiring blocks airflow, increases dust buildup, and creates hotspots inside your case. Poor airflow doesn't just warm things up, it can push your components to run hotter, throttle performance, and even damage sensitive parts. Many users experience overheating or loud fan noise without realizing their power supply setup is part of the problem. So, if standard power supplies fall short, what's the alternative? In recent years, advanced power supply solutions have become far more accessible, and they're packed with technology built specifically to address these issues. These modern PSUs offer features that go way beyond raw wattage, ensuring clean and stable power delivery so your system can run longer, safer, and more efficiently. One of the biggest advantages is a fully modular design. Instead of dealing with a mass of unused cables, you only connect what your system actually needs. This streamlines your build, vastly improves airflow, and makes your setup look cleaner and more professional. Whether you're using a compact PC case or a full tower, modularity is a game changer. Then there's efficiency. High-efficiency power supplies, especially those carrying trusted certifications, ensure that your system uses energy more effectively and produces less heat. That means quieter operation, longer component lifespan, and more stable performance during long gaming sessions. When you combine that with advanced protections against overvoltage, undervoltage, short circuits, and power surges, you get a level of reliability that standard PSUs simply can't match. And that brings us to one of the best modern solutions available today: the MSI MAG A850GL PCIE5. This power supply has earned a solid reputation among gamers and PC builders because it doesn't just offer wattage, it offers stability, safety, and modern technology tailored to today's high-performance builds. Its fully modular design keeps your rig clean and cool. Its high efficiency helps maintain consistent power even under heavy load. And with compliance for the latest PCIe5 standards, it supports next-generation GPUs and demanding hardware without breaking a sweat. For many people, upgrading to a power supply like the MSI MAG A850GL PCIE5 becomes the turning point in their system's reliability. No more random shutdowns. No more overheating during long sessions. No more worrying about voltage spikes damaging expensive components. Just smooth, stable gaming, exactly the way it should be. By making this switch, you're not just upgrading a part. You're upgrading your entire experience. You're simplifying your setup, protecting your hardware, and giving yourself the peace of mind that your system can handle whatever you throw at it now and in the future. If you're ready for a power supply that delivers true reliability and long-term performance, I'd like to show you more about the MSI MAG A850GL PCIE5. It's already helped countless gamers in the same situation, and you'll find the link below this video.